Hey yo, what's going on everybody? It is your boy, Almighty Ghost Louie, and welcome to another vlog. Yes, sir. I'm gonna start it that one a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? It's because it's a different day now. I'm sharing my intros with like
his future baby mama, you know.
Jeez.
Oh guys, didn't you see I commented pregnant bellies on his recent posts? Because I'm manifesting, guys. But anyways, hi to go mommy test. And we're fighting because I told him that Travis is better than Drake.
Guys, she said Travis Scott is better than Drake.
And I feel like he is.
And I was just like, she can walk alone if she's saying that.
And I was like, it's cool. Anyways, he's always behind me. Yeah.
Hey man, if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified next time I drop. Guys, we're actually gonna like, you know what I mean, me and my girl gonna go like on a young date, you know what I mean, just like vlog the experience as well. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's go, baby.
I'm off the rip, shorty the scope because I do not miss. I'm with a shorty and shit with a hit. I am the go nigga, you get the gist. When I shoot my shot, I don't need an assist. Buckets, I got the heat, tuck it. Nigga want beef, fuck it. Wanna run up on me, good luck then, cause I make it obvious that I don't back down. I'm being honest.
I wanna put you in 7, but ish. Can you hold it? I wanna put you in 7th position for so many minutes, you get it, babe. You got a lot on your mind and I wanna use it. I'ma lick it and slip it in. You do a light scream on the ice cream when I scoop it and dip it in. I zip in the tight jeans and if I'm in the high cheese.
7%.
Oh, you know it.
Yeah, guys, sorry, ladies.
Try to show you, girl, I'm different. Lick it and stick it and lick it and stick it into the pussy. Get it when and the stripping the split.
Hey.
Both them legs like dividends. If it ends up, I want it in it up. Continue, man.
Oh wait, I wasn't listening to you. I was talking to them. I was whispering things to them.
Oh, okay. Oh, you guys are having a moment.
Yeah, we're having a moment.
Okay, let me leave you, gay.
Hi guys. So basically, he's singing rubbish. But anyways.
Oh, wait. Thumbnail. Okay.
I'm cuter than him. It's just like so like obvious, and he doesn't want to accept that. But anyways, that's besides the point.
You cuter than who?
That's besides the point.
So guys, we basically about to hit Rocco.
Yeah.
Mamas.
Yeah.
For like a dinner.
Yeah, he's feeding me.
Wait. Thumbnail.
Yes. So much drama.
So you were saying if you wasn't a YouTuber, what was gonna happen?
I was going to be an accountant. Simple things. I was gonna be rich, guys. Whether I was on YouTube or not, I was gonna be rich.
You're just born to be rich.
I was born to be rich. Yeah, like grew up in the struggle, but we don't stay there forever. You know, we have to elevate. You know, constantly elevating. Yeah.
Feel like I could climb up a ladder. Pass on the high street with a noose on my neck. I promise and I swear it's right, I wanna be the best. Put a smile on that pretty face when you're not okay. We the sweetest, cutest couple that ever exists. I'ma love you till I'm out, ain't no other way. I'm not going anywhere for sure, I'm here to stay. Shawty, you my ride or die, you ride me over pain. You love.
So like here's the food that has arrived. Yeah.
Double the cheese.
Double the cheese, double the burger, double the patty, double everything. You're already eating? You haven't even
What?
I'm saying the script is wrong.
Yeah. Mukbang.
Let's take it back a little bit. Change the whole thing.
The human being that cares, y'all. You the only human being that gives a fuck. That's why we ain't Cupid shot, baby. I didn't duck. I'm not saying we're perfect, but baby, look at us.
But you're eating mine. You just want mine.
Shit, you know what's crazy? Yours actually tastes better.
No.
Like they actually do. I don't know whether it's like your hand or like your fork or like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, mine tastes better. It's my touch. So like that they mine. Anyways, so the fries are nice. They're crispy on the outside. I just hate the fact that they're crispy, so the fork really doesn't do nice things.
This is why you must use your hands.
Yeah. But I had tomato sauce in here, so I couldn't really use my hands.
Oh. Wait, you could, and then try.
I have white nails.
Oh. You guys eat burgers with fork and knives. That's crazy.
I have braces.
So like you always use a fork and knife?
No, when the burger's too big and I can't just.
Oh, I see. Oh.
It slaps.
This is raw. Rocco Mamas must pay us for this.
They must.
This can't be free.
This can't be.
Supposed to give us a free burger.
If you're watching this, you should get free burgers from now on, and all our dates will be at Rocco Mama's. It's too late.
Dance is when food is nice. Like you guys can like comment down below if you dance, if your food that the food that you're eating is nice, because you dance.
I dance.
How do you dance? So that. This is what they do in mukbang tools.
There's a lot going on here.
This is messy. Yo. But it's slapping. I bet, guys, that is the end of the vlog. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you're notified next time I drop. What you trying to say to the people?
Her.